Here's what I'm working on at the moment is this tool or table caddy for a table centerpiece, and it's been painted in Fusion's stain and finishing oil, Golden Pine. That's the base. Now I'm basing this off, I've got my computer open here, to the Navage patch, a great DIY tutorial that we saw there, and Marty's dad actually built this for me based on their patterns. I'll be doing a blog post on this and linking to them, so that'll give you all the details. Now you can see here I've started to layer this, so we're going to do a layered look, and I'm using driftwood as the second, just a dry brushing kind of layer, really sort of patchy to give it this old weathered look. And then we're going to be using some cappuccino as well to do some extra aging techniques. So I really love how they did this, and I'll be showing you more of that and how it works out. So up here I haven't done the driftwood look, so you can see the difference. Here's the greyish aging look over the Golden Pine, and it's turning out beautifully. Can't wait to see how it finishes up.